friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make kokum curry. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do like my channel and also subscribe it. Please do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. When I post or upload it, you can get it. Before I start with my video, I would like to tell you some benefits of kokum. Kokum is rich in nutrition. It is also low calories and also fats. It is rich in fiber. It is also contains vitamin A, vitamin B3 and vitamin C, folic acid, calcium, potassium and zinc.
It is an immunity booster. Consumption of kokum protects from cancer as it is powerful antioxidant. Kokum reduces anxiety and depression. It is good for our heart.
Take 4 to 5 kokum pieces. Put the kokum in the cooker. Before that, wash the kokum. I have already washed it. And now
1.5 glass of water.
you have to put it. Light the gas and keep the cooker on the gas and let it boil it. See, it is already cooked. Now we will remove the pieces of kokum and put it in the plate. Don't throw the kokum pieces. We will use it for something. See, this is kokum water. Now we will give the tadka for this. For tadka we have to use these ingredients: red chili, salt, garlic, mustard seeds, curry leaves and jaggery. Light the gas. Keep the vessel on the gas. 2 spoons of coconut oil. Put mustard seed. Garlic, Kashmiri chili. Put kokum water. And stir it. Put the salt. And then jaggery. And then stir it. Let it boil for 5 minutes. See, the curry is ready. We removed from the cooker kokum pieces. Now we'll make chutney. For making chutney, these are the ingredients: coconut, chili, 4 chilies and salt. This chilies we have to roast it. Light the gas. Keep the fry pan on it. Put the chilies and roast it. Put all the ingredients in the mixer. Put little water. See, the chutney is ready. Now we will be giving tadka. Put coconut oil. put mustard seed. Put curry leaves. Now put it in the chutney. It's not necessary to put tadka. Without tadka also you can eat it.